Hey friends, if the USB mass storage device drivers are not showing or working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, here's the thing. It could be an issue with the hardware, but we will only try to troubleshoot at the software level. If not, at the end, we will have to call a hardware technician. So search for Device Manager and open Device Manager. Click on View and select Show Hidden Devices. Does it show the Universal Serial Bus Controllers now? Does it show the root hubs now? If yes, then good. If not, then click on Action and select Scan for hardware changes. Then open it once again. Does it show it now? If yes, then right click on them and then update the drivers. Okay. And update all the root hub drivers. The next solution will be to update Windows. So right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.